Geronimo.
Oh! Please don't kill me.
Oh! Dave, switch it over to photo, not video. Sam, are you having a bad day? Are you just beside yourself because of the rain? Oh, poor Sam. Have you had a really tough morning? Yeah? Are you a good kitty? Are you a good kitty cat? You want pets? Okay. That's all. You're welcome. I absolutely love the beautiful plumbago. It's all here. Absolutely gorgeous. Happy Independence Day!
Yeah, what do you think? Happy Independence Day. It's a day for fireworks and backyard barbecues, except we're not going to have one.
We're going to Epcot to see the fireworks tonight.
Actually, I hope they're as spectacular as they were last night at the Magic Kingdom.
That was awesome, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was really, really awesome.
I highly recommend 4th of July.
360-degree fireworks.
However, the park was packed.
Yes, it was. It was shoulder to shoulder and wall to wall people.
Okay, well, we're waiting for the bus to go to Epcot right now, and we'll check in with y'all later.
The weather, by the way, is just really great. It's overcast. It's trying to rain, but I don't think it's going to. But it means what it means really is that the temperature is
Comfortable.
very, very comfortable. Right.
Okay. Say goodbye now, Bear.
Goodbye now, Bear.
Bye. So,
Yes, we do.
okay. And did you guys
And we will continue to do that.
Yes, we will.